Molo, I am a Molo, I am eminently, and your search for an easy lock style tutorial is over because lock twists are so perfect for the girl that you want to be all week. So maybe you're going into the office with this look, the simple look, and then maybe on the weekend you're going out, or during the week you're going on date night. You can do the lock twist Bantu knots. Or if you want something a little bit more simple but still cute, you can do this mid part, half up, half down with your lock twists. So I really love how versatile this look is, and it's super easy to do. So here is what you're going to need for the style. You're going to need rose water. You guys know I love rose water. This is for moisturizing your locks and to also upkeep the hairstyle. You're going to need a hairbrush. Make sure it's clean. And then you're going to need a molding gel wax. Please do not judge the look of my styling dreads molding gel wax. I've had it for a very long time and it still delivers, okay? And then you're going to need small rubber bands for the ends of your lock twists. So I've basically already started with the look, and my first step is always just prepping the hair, getting it out of the different lines, moisturizing it with rose water, and then brushing it, and then retwisting, which is the same steps that I take when retwisting my actual locks. So if you want the more detailed version of like how I retwist and why I rub the gel between my fingers like I do here, you can see my TikTok. I posted a TikTok on how I retwist my locks and my technique. So once I'm done retwisting, like a light retwist of 2 locks, I then start styling. Take one lock and put it on top of the other, and then I twist each lock before I twist them together. So I twist the lock clockwise in the same direction I would when I'm retwisting, and then I twist them together to make the actual braided twist. So twist once of the other lock, put it on top of the other one, and then twist them together in a twist. Oh my gosh, how many times am I going to say twist in this video? But yeah, twist one lock and then twist it with the other one. Take a shot every time I say twist, please. This is where my playlist was going up. And then twist till the end, and then you add your small rubber band at the end. And I would advise making sure that it's at the end of if you have a shorter lock, at the end of that lock, so that it's more clean. When it comes to the front line of your style, you want to be extra careful and make sure you even use a rat tail comb to just open out your lines carefully, and obviously leave a little something for edges just to make sure you're not twisting everything into your locks. That's how you lose your edges. I also go into more detail about how I twist the front line of my locks in my TikTok, in my lock twist tutorial on TikTok. So yeah, always make sure that you're twisting your hair safely, please. Don't lose it. So now I'm going to start styling once again and just showing you one more time how exactly you make this twist. So twisting it clockwise, and then you put them together, and then you start twisting each lock and twisting on top of the other one. So twist and twist together, twist and twist together, and twist and twist together, and twist. This really also helps. Twisting throughout the actual lock also helps with having minimal frizz throughout your style. I mean, frizz is unavoidable with locks, but it definitely does help with minimizing it. And then you're going to continue like that to the end of your lock, and then you're going to add your rubber band. And this is one of the ones that have one shorter. It always looks neater when right at the end you have the rubber band. Especially because this is going to be DIY, so you want to make sure it's as neat as possible, just like it would if you were at a salon. And there you have your simple, cute, neat lock style lock twists, and you can style them either mid part or side part. But let's say you want something a little bit more extra, something a little bit more elaborate. So now you're gonna do the lock Bantu knots. So these you can do with either your normal lock or a lock twist. And so I'm going for the low tension version, so I'm not going to be using an extra rubber band. If you probably have like a hectic day ahead, like a festival, then I would suggest that you definitely use a rubber band at the bottom of your Bantu knot, or right at the top when you're done. So as you can see, I'm basically just wrapping the locks around itself, basically around this knot area that I'm going to be making, but I'll explain further in the next one. So you can just see how I've done the first one here. Now I'm just securing it. So you're going to start with the 2 lock twists that you've decided are going to be part of your Bantu knot, and you're going to take the one from the back, and you're going to basically create the beginning of this knot. So once you have that beginning knot, that's what you're going to be wrapping the rest of your locks around to make sure that they are secure. And then twist them around itself. Pretty simple. And then just make sure that you are twisting around but sort of tucking in underneath, basically, to make sure that you can, right at the end, the rest of the locks that you do have, you can just tuck them in securely. So yeah, wrapping it around and then tucking them in. That's pretty much how you do lock Bantu knots. And there you have your style. You can do this with just one line in front, like how I have, or you can do your whole head. Really depends on you and what look you are going for. But again, if you are just a simple girl and you don't want all the stress, you can just wear your lock twists in a simple side part. This is such a high effort looking, low effort style. I love that for it. And you are just going to look cute at the office, or maybe you're going to the gym and you want to look a little bit more casual, or you're going for brunch, something more wholesome. So you can do middle part with this half up, half down style. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for watching.